Unit 2, Day 4, talks about solving equations with variables on both sides of the equal sign. Here are the steps to solve. First, we need to combine like terms if necessary. Our second step is we need to collect our variables, those are our letters, on the same side, and collect the constants on the same side. And then we just need to solve the equation. So for example, on number 1, I have 8x minus 7 equals 4x plus 21. I need to move my variables to one side of my equal sign. I'm going to move this 4x over here to this side, and the way I move it is I need to cancel it out by doing the inverse operation. So right here I have positive 4x. To cancel it out, I need to have negative 4x or subtracting 4x. And if I do it to one side of the equation, I have to do it to the other side as well to keep my equation balanced. So now 8x minus 4x is 4x minus 7. And then on this side, the 4x minus 4x cancels out, so all I'm left with is 21. And now I solve it like a normal two-step equation. I'm going to move my constant to the other side by doing inverse operations. So since I was subtracting, I need to add 7. Those cancel out. So now I have 4x equals 28. I want to get x by itself, so I need to divide by 4. X equals 7. Let's do an additional problem. Let's do number 2. I have the equation negative 11x plus 9 equals negative 2x plus 45. I want to move my variable to one side of my equal sign. So I'm going to move this negative 11 onto that side. I'm going to do the opposite of negative 11x, so I'm going to add 11x to both sides. Now remember, whatever I do over on this side, I need to do on the other side of my equal sign. Also, whenever I move it over, I'm going to combine like terms. So whenever I add or subtract a term with an x, with a variable, I need to combine it with like terms on the other side. So now I have 9 on this side. Negative 2x plus 11x is equal to 9x plus 45. I'm going to subtract 45 to move my constant over. So now I have 36 equals 9x. I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide by 9. So 4 equals x. On the back, let's do an example like number 7. I have 6x plus 3 equals 6x minus 20 minus x. The first step we need to do is combine like terms. So on this side of my equal sign, I have like terms 6x and negative x. When I combine those, I get 5x. So now on this side of the equal sign, I have 5x minus 20, and then everything else stays the same. And now I solve. I want to move my variables to one side of my equal sign. And then I'm going to move my constants to the other. So now I have isolated my variable. You need to complete the remaining practice problems on the front and on the back of this page.